Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is pineapple, and we'll be making pineapple coconut donut holes and seared scallops with spicy pineapple glaze and forbidden black rice. Joining me in our Morris Black kitchen is Dr. Jennifer Janco from St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Ryan Zellner. These recipes sound fabulous.
And I'm intrigued.
Show us where to start.
So we're gonna start off, I have some pre-cooked forbidden black rice.
Ooh.
It's a Chinese variety.
Okay,
cool.
You can cook this almost any way. You can cook it like normal rice. You can cook
Okay.
it almost like a risotto.
Okay.
We're just gonna plop that in a pan
All right.
and just heat it up a little bit. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start cooking some scallops.
Okay.
I have some awesome
Wow.
jumbo U10 scallops.
Just a little salt on
Just a little
those?
salt. I only salt the one side, salt side down.
Okay.
And then on the back side, I will salt and pepper the other side.
Aha.
We're gonna go to the pineapple glaze. Start off with a little bit of shallot.
Mm-hmm.
Just
Love
a little
shallots.
small dice. I have a jalapeno.
Okay.
And then
And you've got
lastly,
some garlic?
for our aromatics, we have some garlic. Yep.
Lovely.
So we have this real hot pan that we're starting that garlic, shallot, and jalapeno in.
Okay.
And then we're gonna come over and
The
grab
pineapple.
nice fresh pineapple.
I love pineapple.
And I think a lot of people are very intimidated to buy a pineapple
Yep.
like this.
Are you telling me how I know when
Yep.
it's a good pineapple?
You wanna pick the stems out. If you
That
can
is-
easily pull them right out, that's how you know it's nice and ripe
that
and
may
fresh.
be the most valuable thing I've learned today.
Now, I just shave around the outside.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're just gonna take a little bit of this pineapple, cut it down.
Okay.
And pineapples are high in vitamin C. What else?
So you're going to get your vitamin C. There's also manganese, which is another vitamin in there that helps with bone development. Vitamin C, of course, everybody needs that. That helps our immune system. Vitamin C also helps with skin and wound healing. So just one of those things you want to have a daily dose of in your diet.
So we're just gonna take a little bit of this rice wine vinegar.
Okay.
And I just add that in there. And this is gonna help break some of that down and almost make a glaze out of it in the end.
And how long do you cook scallops for?
I like mine around the medium to medium
Medium.
rare.
Okay.
So that way they're nice and tender. So that will only take about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. So get
Oh,
a nice
that
brown
looks
sear.
so pretty.
It looks so pretty. I love that golden color.
Add a little bit of butter, and then we're gonna flip. And then these scallops are done. While this glaze is cooking,
Okay.
we're gonna come down here. We're gonna make some donut holes.
Okay, I
Donut
can't
holes.
wait.
That
Let's
sounds like
try.
the kid version. So come
All
teach
right. So we got flour,
me. Okay.
baking powder, brown sugar, milk, orange juice. There's also pineapple juice in there. That's the pineapple element. We're gonna crack an egg. And then lastly, some sugar. And then we just mix, mix, mix. The key to any kind of baked item is all about not over mixing. So it's gonna be a little lumpy, have a couple chunks in
Okay.
it. The key now to this is you gotta let it rest. That flour has to hydrate.
Okay.
So with that, I have a little bit already
Voila, the
pre-made up.
magic of television.
You let it rest for about 20 minutes, half an hour. If you don't have a deep fryer, you can just use a pan, and there's nothing
Kind of
wrong
looks
with
like
that.
little tiny little fritters.
Yeah.
There.
And they kind of like pop to the top when they're
And then we're just gonna come back
Just
down
about
here.
Yeah,
done.
that glaze is looking really good.
Starting to reduce down.
Yeah, it is.
The pineapple now is gonna be nice and soft. Add a knob of butter in. Double check on our donut holes real quick.
okay.
And you're just gonna let them get nice and golden brown. Nothing is better on a donut than some nice donut glaze. This, instead of using all milk, I used pineapple juice just to reinforce that pineapple flavor into it. Some toasted coconut. That's a little extra garnish, a little crunch, a little texture.
Love that.
All right, and last but not least,
Look at what you made.
That's very
Beautiful.
neat. Should we start with these donut holes?
Sure.
Wait.
Oh my gosh, they're delicious.
you get that nice sweet pineapple flavor. It's not overwhelming.
Oh, it's really sweet.
A little bit of scallop, a little bit of the forbidden rice. I feel very
Gotta try
exotic.
this forbidden rice. The flavors in that are incredible.
That is so good.